And keep on going.
What the
Where's my shoulder?
This is vlog 51, first vlog in 2018. Before I'd like to start the video, I would like to say two things. One, Happy New Year to everyone. I hope you guys had a fun time with your family and also partying, since I do know some of you guys do party during the New Year. And second of all, here's what is going to happen during this video. We are going to snow scootering at the hill that I've built with my friend Hayden Bishop. You guys might know what the heck I'm talking about, since I did a few Instagram posts. One thing is cold and a cell phone doesn't go too well together. Basically like a cat and a dog fighting, which means when it's cold outside, your battery seems to like degrade, or I don't know how to say it. Just slows down the performance of your phone, which means it requires more battery power. If it requires more battery power, yeah, your battery dies very quick. So I don't know if I'll be able to get too many clips. Either way, let's start this video right now.
Here we are at the spot that I've built with my little buddy up there, Hayden Bishop. So now, if you guys just saw my Instagram, there were fail clips. This time, how about we get like some good clips and not fail clips? Oh my god.
It's uneven.
Should we just do like a stack of fail clips?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do this. I don't know if you guys didn't notice, Isaac is over there. This will not be pretty. We are at the adult hill, am I right? This is for big boys.
Wait, are you a big boy?
I'm a little children.
Then get out of here.
What a disaster. How about we start this?
With those gloves. I hate Jason.
Shut up.
Alright, baby, stop fighting. This is over.
All at once, so you are probably asking yourself, why the heck am I dressed up like I'm about to walk somewhere at the North Pole? Well, there is an insane snowstorm outside.
6.5 hours later.
As you guys can see, yeah, I have no words to say. Huh? Jason? What the f are you doing? What are you expecting to do in this?
I don't know.
Meanwhile.
So we are currently on Dunedin Bridge, where we've been trapped here for 2 days because of the snow, and we're drinking water from right there. It's leaking water, so that's where we're still alive.
What? Are we joking?
Alright, we've decided to change place. Now we're in the woods, right?
I mean, the other bridge, the ice was like wet. Like it's weird. Like you touch your snow pound there, wet.
Like I was saying, we're trapped in the forest. There's no escape. Our house is a few kilometers away.
It's also been 4 days we're out here.
Yeah, it's been 4 days now. Still surviving. So far it's been 5 days. All we've been drinking is only snow. We're still trying to live, but we have no clue what we're going to do. Trying to find new shelter. Did you find anything? It's a cabin.
But sadly we can't go.
Yeah.
No,
Why no?
because we're supposed to survive.
Alright, we found a little cabin. Open the door. Because of the snow. Alright, well, the door's jammed. We can't do anything. Let's find new shelter, Jason. We're still living. Still alive.
Oh shit.
Alright, this is day 10.
We got a little shelter going.
Yeah. We built a little shelter to protect ourselves from the snow. We found our neighborhood back. We found a sign of life. Yesterday was only a joke. We weren't actually stuck outside in a snowstorm, and it didn't actually snow for 10 days straight. Either way, here's what is going to happen for today. We'll actually need to fix my snow scooter because one of the strings broke, so yeah, things got messed up. So I'm just gonna fix that right now, and afterwards, once that's done, I'm going to leave for the hills so then we can fix it again because we got like 30 centimeters of snow. Either way, let's stop talking and continue this video. Here we are at the spot. We've had to rebuild it since. This got completely covered and destroyed. It is impossible. There's like 2 inch of ice. We've given up on that. We've decided to build this. It starts up here, goes down.
Snow.
What? Okay, well, I was pushing the snow and then he was building it. Like I was saying, starts up there, you go down, one wall right there, it goes down to another wall right here. Afterwards, it comes all the way down, and then you hit this over there. Small U-turn, I don't know. And then you continue going down, you go in the tunnel, and then you die. Are you ready for this, Aiden? Yeah. Alright, let's do this.
Yes, puppy.
That's it for today's video.
Worst video ever. Don't even watch it. If you
Okay, anyway, I don't know if you guys didn't notice, we've reached 300 subs. I don't know what's supposed to be done before Christmas. Doesn't matter. We've reached 300 subs. Thank you to everyone. What do you have to say, Jason?
pretty sweet.
Oh, I see you're chilling on that chair, huh? Sliding into girls' DM, huh?
Got my cloud glasses on too.
Okay, that's enough. Anyway, I'm not too sure if there will be a video Monday. I will try to upload one. It is not promised I'm 100%. I'll try my best, but it doesn't matter. Let's just finish this video.